What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're mining every single ore, but it's randomized. Guys, this is going to be a sick video, including someone very special. Takis.
Ghost Hunter VR, and I got a little gift for y'all.
Yeah,
it's
some
called
meatball.
the Tough Suit 3.0!
That's so
My
loud!
last gift for y'all.
That's so loud! That is so loud!
How did y'all like my intro?
I'll give it a 10 out of 10. If you don't like and subscribe to both of us,
something bad will happen.
This will be. Yeah, if you don't like and subscribe to both of us, this will be you. Any last words?
Like and subscribe to both of us.
Yeah, so that was what. That's what will happen if you don't subscribe to both of us. Anyways, so yeah.
I guess I don't need this grappler.
And anyways, any speeches before we spin the wheel?
No, I guess not.
Yeah, might as well spin the wheel. Gotta open up the web first. Okay, got so many ores.
Spin it.
Oh, this one's gonna be easy. It is amethyst.
We only need like a pickaxe to do this. Do you have stick on there?
Yeah, I do.
Good.
I have the pipe as well. Oh crap, this is gonna take a long time. It's a Hulk fist.
Hulk fist?
It's gonna take a long time.
Can we get a light source?
Yes, light sources are allowed. Happy you don't forget.
I don't want glow sticks. I want these.
I'm happy you didn't forget your flashlight again.
I'm going to mines. Where are you going?
I'm going to mines.
Same. Now, why did it just the music become louder?
Yeah, for real.
The music. Wait, I found some.
This one's mine.
Yes!
I did it!
Wait a minute, let me do it. We both gotta mine it this time.
There's some right here.
Yes, let's go! I got company coins as well.
I got 2 research points. Let's break more!
Yo, let's go.
Wait, why don't we just spin down here?
Let's come back. Go back down. Let's go to the teleporter ore.
Okay.
Teleporter ore?
It should be over here.
Wait a minute, I see one. I see one closer. Follow me.
Let me.
No!
Well, that was a success.
But yeah.
Okay, well, round done. Alright, spin the wheel.
I won that round.
Oh, you won that round.
Wait, here's some ASMR.
What ore is it
How
gonna
do you
be?
like ASMR? How do you like my ASMR?
Oh, this is the easiest one. It's copper.
Please tell me it's a stick.
I mean, you already bought stacks.
Wait, are you removing this stuff? Are you removing this stuff we use?
Yes. The lance. It's the lance. It's gonna be hard to navigate, though. It's gonna be hard to navigate.
You know what? I'm going to mines.
Alright, your flashlight's on? Wait a minute.
No,
like we did before, let's put it on crowbar so it reduces the weight.
Can you buy me some? I'm not trying to go broke.
Alright. Hey, what are you doing?
I don't know. What am I doing?
Someone got our code, sorry. I'm gonna appear offline real quick so no one else joins. Did you mine it? Seems like I
I
lost
beat the
this.
challenge.
Oh, you beat the round? That didn't count because someone got in the code. I had to kick them.
Now it counts.
Yeah, we both gotta mine it though.
Well, I won. I'll wait for you.
Yeah, you won.
I'm doing good this time.
Yeah. Let's just hope there's a teleporter war. Let's just hope there's a teleporter war somewhere.
Are you almost done?
Yeah, I just gotta get back. Yes, I hear a teleporter or I hear a teleporter or I'm back. All right, so you won this round again. That was a fair shot.
I'm
That
doing
wasn't
ASMR
fair
for
because
them.
I had to kick someone.
What happens if I kick to you?
You can't. To be able to kick people, you have to be the first one in the lobby. And you're not the first one
Oh,
to
yeah,
get in.
I know.
Oh, it's the red
I'm
heart
doing
ore.
ASMR.
It's the red heart ore.
That means we need to find
The haunted mansion.
key. Key. I don't want to use
Yeah.
anything that was stored.
Oh, it's the pipe. It's the pipe.
That means we have to go to sewers to get it.
Yeah. Sucks, but like a challenge is a challenge. So we gotta do
Wait,
the
can we
thing.
use something to break it?
To
Here,
what?
I'm bringing some sticks.
To go get it. Hope there's a crate, probably.
Are you down there?
Yeah.
I'm coming.
I mean, it's a pretty high chance that like one of those will at least
Wait for me.
pipe.
Wait for me.
It's a grenade. Not when what we want
I
though.
have to bring the rubber ducky, I'm sorry.
Yeah. You can bring it.
The rubber ducky is going to be our new friend for videos.
No, but where's little Jim Bob though?
He's in my other bag.
But little Jim Bob's like gonna take a break though.
He needs a summer break. We haven't gave him one. That's the
He,
same way.
He's literally only been like 2 videos. Come on.
I'll bring him back for our next mission. What you
Yeah,
want
mine
the
does-
duck club?
What should the
duck's name?
Mine the trash or there might be a pipe that might come out. Break. There's more up there. Mind that.
Run! What the? An arrow.
Mine more of them.
Wait. Trick shot. Never mind. Let me go back up. I know how to play gorilla tag, but might need some nuts. Never mind. No.
I'm good at parkour. Hand me the stick. I'm good.
Never mind.
Hand me the stick. I'm cool.
It's down there.
Run! Yes, another crate that might have a pipe in it.
If it does, it's mine.
Yes,
I
you
never
have to.
choose.
I have to keep it though, cause you might have to die. I have the rockets. I have the rockets to get back up, and you don't.
I know how to do parkour.
Well, bye. Have a great time.
Nah, I'm coming with you. I got the rockets, dog.
And I got the wrong shit. Wait, those 2 crates might have it. 2 crates. No, Mimic.
We might not even
Mimic.
do the pipe. We might not even
have
do
to.
the pipe. You know what, bro? Mimic, kill us. Kill us, Mimic. Let's spin the wheel again. Come on.
Okay.
Kill yourself. Try to kill me. It's silver. It's silver. It's silver. The ore is silver.
Bro, I'm alive. Down. I'm bringing a grenade down. Tell me if you... Go to the rear.
Beginning.
Okay, we skipped the thing. I already spun the wheel. It's we already spun the wheel. It's the ore is silver and the weapon is a frying pan.
Easy.
Yeah, easy, easy.
Yeah, even way easier. Let's go.
Yeah, this is probably one of the easiest ones yet. Wait a minute, light source,
can I
light
bring
source, light source.
Wait. No. No.
I'm gonna win.
No, we lost the rubber ducky node.
We don't need him. We can get another one of him.
Bring in little Jim Bob then.
I won! I left the other one for you.
Win.
Are you gonna come?
Yeah.
We both gonna mine it.
I'm coming.
Alright. It's right here.
Hey,
Yo,
do you
let's
want to see
go.
who I brought for us?
Little Jim Bob?
Wait!
Yes, I brought little.
Take the zip line back.
I know what to do.
My car just bounced.
Crap, I fell again.
Just die or take the zip line.
You want me to die with little Jimbo?
There's replacements for him. Stop exaggerating.
Who said I was
What?
doing such a thing?
Be there. Yeah, you're back with little Jim Bob.
He's right here.
Yo.
And if y'all are new watching our videos, this is Little Jimbo, our animal company friend, and our gorilla tag friend.
He's our pet. By the way, I won that one. Let's spin the wheel. I won that round.
Silent but deadly.
Oh, what is it? It's kind of right in the middle. Teleporter ore.
Jeez.
And what do you have to mine it with? Drill. I'll get drills for you.
Because that look way
Dude,
trickier.
I got drills for you. And the ore's
Oh, I
a
need this.
teleporter
I need
ore.
this.
And
Guys,
the
he
ore.
can't see this, but I need this. He can't see this nice outfit, but I really need it.
What is it? Let me
The
see.
blue winter jacket. It matches perfect with my beanie.
Yeah,
I
I
really
can.
need
Yeah, I
it.
can see how it is. I kind of like it. Yeah, the weapon
you
is
ain't
a
getting
drill,
it.
and the ore is a teleporter ore.
Guys, whenever I get enough company coins, I'm gonna buy it so you can tell us apart. And yeah, I have nothing else to say. Except for let me find a better outfit, maybe.
Wait, I could be player. I'm player 456.
Okay, I'm gonna start the mining trip. All right, don't forget flashlights.
I'm coming. Wait for me.
Come on, we gotta do it now. Do you want to make this video like an hour long?
Maybe. What's it? So teleporter.
Yeah, teleporter ore. There should be one at the last level of the mines. I did it. I won the round.
Bro, we ain't doing wins.
Then why'd you say we were doing wins? Why'd you say you got the point?
I said we were.
Did a teleporter ore with the crate thingy.
I'm coming.
Alright, did you mine the teleporter ore?
I kept falling.
There should be one at the like the very end of like the big part at the bottom of the mines.
Ah!
And he already respawned. You didn't even mine it.
Yeah, I did.
Then why didn't you teleport?
I did teleport.
Oh, wait, you did? All we have now is some of the advanced stores. Oh, this one ain't gonna be very advanced. It's the nut ore. It's literally in sewers. And what weapon? Yo, this one's gonna be easy. The ore's the nut ore. And we have to use a hammer, like the Twilight hammers, to mine it.
Hammer. I don't have a hammer.
I have them. I have like almost
What
every
hammer?
weapon in this.
Oh,
in
you
this
mean?
wheel.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Oh, those.
Yeah, those.
Give me.
And the ore's the nut
Wait, I
ore.
forgot a light.
Did you already go without me?
No.
Bro, how do you
hard to
do
get
this?
in because of how big those are. This one's gonna be easy. Oh, they're right here. They're right here. I did it. Where are you at? They're right here. There's like lots of them.
I'll teach them a lesson.
All right, let's just say I won that round since I'm on the first one.
You did not win.
I won the round though.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Oh yeah, it was the very advanced doors, and it looks like it's the lava ore, the lava crystals, the cinder.
That's easy.
Yeah.
All you have to do is go to the lava map.
Yeah, but there's like a lava mine in the mine, so we could just go there. And we might be cooked. It's a stick. We might actually be cooked. Never mind, it's a stick.
Can we at least have a bag to store it, or do we have to grab it with our hands?
Yeah, we have to grab it with our hands. No storing. You get only get 2 sticks.
What about little Jim Bob? He stays on my back.
You can bring him.
I need a light.
Do not bring anything else but little
Wait for
Jim
me,
Bob.
wait
And a light.
Yeah, and the sticks.
And the bag to carry him.
Why am I keep hitting you? Like, why am I not realizing the more I hit you, the weaker those get? Hey, they're right here.
I
Ouch.
won. I got them. I got it with my hands. I broke another one from you.
Hey, I broke one finally. Anyways,
I broke
let's
2.
die. Let's die.
Bro, we could just fall back.
I'd rather die.
First.
I'd rather die though.
But bro, I'm already back here.
I know. I mean, at least you got the
Cool,
ores.
Do you want one?
Nah. I grind those every day.
Steve Lava Chicken, yeah, it's this yet.
Yo, what?
Man, I
Why does
think
that actually look like lava chicken?
Wait, do you have a chicken leg? Do you have a chicken leg?
No.
I came one step ahead.
I came a step ahead.
What is it gonna be? Oh, this one's gonna be kind of hard. It's
Steve
uranium.
Lava Chicken, yeah,
It's uranium. Have you
No,
mined
but
uranium
this-
before? Have you mined uranium before? Like, be honest.
No.
Well,
let's do
the
this.
ore's
Here.
uranium. The ore's
Open your
uranium.
mouth, guys, this isn't. This is.
And the
only-
weapon's a
let's say this is-
crowbar. The weapon's a crowbar.
Guys, let's say this is the subscribers. Look. Let's say this is the subscribers. If you don't subscribe, this will be you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, so, like, they're down the sewers. Make sure to bring a light source. And yes, you can bring little
Bye-bye.
Jim Bob. But you might have to die because it's like literally in the last level of sewers. That's the only place it's in.
I'm in sewer.
This will be your first time mining uranium. Come here. Gotta speed run this.
Mimic's on me.
Just don't care about him.
Wait, I'm at... Mimic's at sewer.
Oh, come here. You know what? This is a work team point since it's like one of the really advanced ones.
I'm at the green hole.
This speed run this. Did you hear the weapon? It was a crowbar, but by the way, if you didn't know.
What's up? What's up?
Yo, what's up?
I don't think I can make it.
You made it. You and little Jimbot make it.
I know which one's the right one.
Yeah, it's the middle one.
Always. It never changes.
Always the middle one. I wish the right one was the right one, cause like you know, right is right.
Right. Yeah.
I mean it's accurate though.
Imagine if you went into the wrong one, you would die. This one's actually going to be kind of hard.
Turn off your flashlight, cause Toasty's girlfriend is in the next tunnel.
No, it's in this area.
Guess what?
What?
In one of my videos, I was in here, and then the ghost lady popped right behind me. I kissed her.
Hey yo, you cheated on you. You know what? I'll give this a work team point since yeah. Yeah, if I mine, we both get the point.
Good boy.
I mined it. I mined it. I mined it. That means we get the teamwork point. This video is already about to be over. We only got 3 ores and 2 weapons left. And it's the trash ore from sewers.
That's easy.
Yeah, that's easy. Literally right where the nut ore is. I'm lagging so bad right now.
What weapon?
Baseball bat.
I'm leaving.
Little Jimbo.
Got the baseball
Can't come on
bats.
this inventory.
Baseball bats. Flashlight. Bro, how did I kill me? Revive me! Revive me!
What?
Revive
Where are
me!
you?
Revive me! The bomb killed me! Oh crap. actually gonna be harder than I thought.
We have to make sure Jim Bob's still here. Jim Bob despawned.
No.
We can buy him again.
Yeah, I have a little Jim Bob unlocked, so I can just buy him too if you go broke.
I only have 20K left.
I still at my 7 mil mark.
I died right here.
I died! I died! I died! This is the second time I died! Revive me! Revive me! I'm gonna lose this round.
Give me a second.
Oh my, why do I keep dying?
I did it.
Yeah, you won that round, but we both gotta mine it.
I say we end it right here. Hey, where are you?
I'm coming.
We're going to do it and
I mined it! Hey, look, we got little ducky!
bring the ducky.
I can't. So we already did the trash sword. The only weapon we have left is a pickaxe. The only weapon we have left is a pickaxe. And all we have left is corrupted heart ore or gold. Which one's gonna be?
No, don't spin it.
It's corrupted heart ore. It's the blue corrupted heart ore. The one that you grab that turned upside down. And the weapon's a pickaxe. This will be a teamwork point. I'll buy the plain pickaxes.
I need a pickaxe. Thank you. I think we only need one.
I think we only need one. Yeah. And by the way,
I'm staying small.
The ore.
Can you buy me some pink broccoli?
Bro,
Give
you
me
can't
pink
turn
broccoli.
small. You can't go in different sizes. That's considered cheating.
Okay, I'm coming. Are we supposed to do this without a grappler?
Bro, come on, it's easy.
I'm coming.
Alright.
I can basically fly.
I think I know where the key is. It's one of those ones. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's right here. I found the key!
Ghost lady in.
I found the key. You're good. Found the key. I found the key, we're good. I found the key, we're good. I already found the key.
Ghost lady's following us.
Found the key, I found the key.
I don't want Toasty to realize we got kissed by his girlfriend.
I mean, if he does, we're cooked.
I know. I found it, mine. It's mine.
point.
Did it! Where are you?
I'm back at spawn. I'm back at spawn, by the way. I'm gonna make some stickers just to have fun.
Bro, what the heck?
Let's use the pickaxe again. We need to use the pickaxe again, and
Jimbo, why are you coming back to life?
Jimbob! Jimbob's back to life. Hey, my name's Jimbob. What's your name?
die. Let's get back. The weapon is a pickaxe again, cause there's no more weapons, and the only ore, and the last ore remaining is gold, which that's like super easy. Yeah.
You mean company coins?
No, it's called gold. Done. Wait a minute, you didn't use the right weapon though. I heard the explosion. Oh, is there a weapon that would kill me? I hear a teleport ore. Oh my, there's so much gold. I could have just used that, or I just could have died. Guys, I'm back! Oh, come back, we gotta do the outro.
I'm coming back as quick as I can.
Alright. Just die to like come back quick. Waiting for him. Messing with this mirror bug. Yep. Da. Why do I keep doing that? By the way, body cheeks in your face. I'm sorry if you can't see it, by the way. Just, yeah. Wait a minute, hold up. I'm gonna do something hilarious. Hold up. I'm gonna do something hilarious. Hold up.
I'm on way to broccoli.
Come on, turn back to big. We gotta do the outro.
I know. Let's go.
You do something. Oh wait, that was a fail. Okay. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. He's tiny now. He's even smaller than little Jim Bob now. And hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to click the subscribe button. That's the color as my hat or the color of my shirt sleeves. And also, peace out, guys. Bye.
Bye.